Hello students, welcome. I am back today with a new video for you. Today we are going to learn about the types of cropping seasons and major crops of India. So keep watching this video till the end to understand all this better. Okay, so let's start cropping season in India. There are three types of cropping seasons. First one is Rabi, second Kharif and third one is Zaid. These are the three types of cropping season. The first type is Kharif crops. Kharif crops are the crops planted during the rainy season. At the beginning of the monsoon, this type of crops are sowing. Sowing season June to July and harvesting season September to October. The important Kharif crops are rice, maize, jowar, bajra, moong, urad, cotton, jute, groundnut, soybean. So these are the important Kharif crops. The states for the Kharif crops are Assam, West Bengal, coastal region of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Maharashtra. These are the states for the Kharif crops. See here some Kharif crop images here. Rice, corn, soybean, sugarcane, groundnut and cotton. Now the second type is Rabi crop. Rabi crops are the crops grown during the winter season. For the Rabi crops, we require cold and dry climatic conditions. Sowing season October to December and the harvesting season is April to June. The important Rabi crops are wheat, barley, peas, gram, mustard. These are the important Rabi crops. The states for the Rabi crops are Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand and UP. Some Rabi crops here: wheat, oat, chickpea, mustard, almond and broccoli. These are some examples of Rabi crops. Now the third one is Zaid crop. Zaid crop also called as summer crops. Zaid crops are seasonal fruits, vegetables, fodder crops, etc. Zaid crops are taken in northern and northern west states, mainly grown from March to June, and the important Zaid crops are watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber. These are the Zaid crops. In this picture, cucumber, watermelon and bitter gourd, these are summer crops or Zaid crops. The major crops classification is here in front of you. See here, major crops of India. First is food crops. The examples of food crops are rice, wheat, millets, maize, pulses. Then second is food crops other than grains. The example is here sugarcane, oil seeds, coffee, tea. Third one is horticulture crops. Horticulture means fruits and vegetables. Then non-food crops are rubber. Then last one is fiber crops. The examples of fiber crop is here cotton and jute. See here the major food crops. First one is rice. Rice is the main or staple food crop in India and more demand of these crops in India. Temperature required between 22 to 33 degrees Celsius with high humidity, and the rainfall is here around 150 to 300 centimeter is required. For the soil type is deep clay and loamy soil. Loamy soil means it is a mixture of soil. It contains clay, silt and sand, and this is required for plant growing. India is the second largest producer of rice in the world after China. The first one is China and then second number is our India. There are few government initiatives to support rice cultivation such as National Food Security Mission, hybrid rice seed production and Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana. These are the some government initiatives. India has largest area under rice cultivation. Rice is grown with the help of irrigation in low rainfall areas. Top rice producing states are given here in map. West Bengal, Punjab, UP, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar. These are the top rice producing states. See here in map. Now the second type is wheat. This is the second most important cereal crop and the main food crop in north and northwestern India. India is the second largest producer after China. China is also first in rice as well as in wheat, and India is in second number. Temperature is required between 10 degree to 15 degrees Celsius for sowing time, and for refining and harvesting time the temperature is 21 to 26 degrees Celsius, and bright sunlight is required. Rainfall is required for this 75 to 100 centimeter. The soil type is well drained, fertile, loamy and clay loamy soil. This soil generally occurs at Ganga Satluj plains and black soil region of the Deccan Plateau. The contribution for the success of green revolution due to Rabi crops, especially wheat. The most important contribution of wheat for the green revolution success. Macro management mode of agriculture, National Food Security Mission and Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana are few government initiatives to support wheat cultivation. These are some government schemes for supporting the wheat cultivation. Top wheat producing states are given here in map. First one is Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan. The temperature required for millet crops are 27 degree to 32 degrees Celsius, and rainfall around 50 to 100 centimeter is required. Alluvial or loamy soil is required. Jowar grown in the moist areas with less or no irrigation. Jowar is the third most important food crop with respect to area and production. States for jowar are Maharashtra, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Then bajra is also millets. Sandy soil and shallow black soil is required for production of these crops. Then the states for this: Rajasthan, UP, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Haryana. Then the third one millet is ragi. Red, black, sandy and shallow black soil is required for this crop. The local name of ragi is Nasni. Ragi is very rich in iron, calcium and other micronutrients. National Agriculture Insurance Scheme is the example of government efforts to support millet production. Here millet producing states are given here. The top states that Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana. Now next major crop is maize. Maize, also known as corn. India is the 7th largest producer worldwide. It is used both as food and fodder. Nowadays, modern inputs are used such as high-yielding variety seeds, fertilizers and irrigation have contributed to increased production of maize. Only one government initiative for the maize, that is Technology Mission on Maize, is the government initiatives. Temperature required for this crop is 21 to 27 degrees Celsius and high rainfall is required. Old alluvial soil is required. Top maize producing states are Karnataka, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Telangana are given here. The last one, the major crop is pulses. India is the largest producer as well as the consumer of pulses in the world. These are the major sources of protein in a diet. Major pulses are grown in India are tur, urad, moong, masoor, peas and gram. These are the major pulses. Temperature required for this is 20 to 27 degrees Celsius and rainfall around 25 to 60 centimeter is required. Sandy loamy soil is required for this crop. Some government plans to support pulse production are National Food Security Mission for Pulses, Pulses Development Scheme and Technological Mission on Pulses. These are the some government initiatives. The top pulses producing states are here: Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh and Karnataka. I hope all of you understood this, and thanks for watching.